All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Taiwan, and this is from Mom's Dry Noodles. Always excited to see what they've got in store, so let's crack it open and have a look. Oh. Well, this looks to be an interesting new boxed variety. I've never heard of such a noodle before. Yeah, this is Mom's Dry Noodle. Looks like they're in collaboration with Chunyang. This is their wasabi almond sauce noodle with tapioca. And I'm guessing that's what these little things are. Yeah, it's like boba. Interesting. I wonder if it's sweet. It looks like there's bits of tomato on it too. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to open one of these boxes and we can have a look. So here's the noodle. It's a wide dry noodle, which is one of my favorite varieties of noodles on the planet. And then there's the sauce. And when I was holding it, I could definitely feel that there is boba going on in there. That's interesting. Wow. Boba is the stuff that makes the bubbles in bubble tea. So this is going to be different. I've never seen such a thing. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Mom's Dry Noodle for sending these over. Yeah, there's 2 servings in each box. I didn't mention that previously, but yeah, there's 2 servings in each box. This is different, but every time they've thrown me a curveball with something I've never heard of, it's satisfied. It's been quite good. So looking forward to giving this a try and letting you know what I think of it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.